Morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 17, and today we are going to be discuss a very practical topic. Okay, every topic is practical only, but this topic is little more practical because this task will not be done by you if you are working as a BPC or BA. But if you are working as a solution consultant, as a developer, as an architect, then you should know this thing. And everybody can do this particular task in their own PDI as well. Okay, so what we're doing now, you remember on the day 3 or day 4, I asked everybody to create the update set. And we see the report as well that who did, who not did the work. Now, let's say I work in the dev instance. Because development is done only in the dev instance. I want to move that changes from dev to production. I can't develop the things again and again and again and again in the production instance. So what we do the update set. Update set is a box, is a container, okay, which contain a lot of things, but not everything. जैसे update set never capture the data, either transactional data, either foundation data. It did not capture the dashboards sometime. So we have to forcefully add in the dashboard and reports, forcefully add into the update set. Okay. So now what we are going to be do, this is my instance. And this is Krupa's instance, which I took yesterday. Okay. Now what you are able to see in my instance, all these things which you build. Ye sara. Everything which you build in my instance, considering that my is a development instance, and now we need to move these changes to Krupa's instance. So what we have to do first? First, everybody need to do one thing. Go to local update sets. Okay. And you are using my update set as a parent. These are the best practice. If you are using any update set as a parent, so we will only complete. Close nahi hota update set. It's always get complete. We will mark it as a complete. As soon as I mark this as a complete, it will complete your update sets as well here. Okay. Number 2, a best practice says once an update set is completed, mark as completed, should not be reopened. Third, as soon as we mark this as a complete, it will be go out from here as well. So now let's say I give you a story for the development, you develop that story and your Scrum Master says, hey, okay, you can move the story to the next environment, next instance now. So you will go and close your update set, complete your update set. Complete your update set and then we'll move forward. Click yes. I click yes and now I will refresh my page. क्या हुआ? Save. Yes. So now you can see the current update set has been changed to default. See. Default हो गया And now you can see that all the update set which I have has been completed. Everybody's changes has been completed. This is the time when if you want to download the update set as a backup, click on the export update set batch to XML. We can do the transfer via XML as well, which we see yesterday for our same thing we can do, but that is not the best practice in the case of the update sets. So now my update set has been closed. It means till yesterday, all the changes which we have done has been captured in my update sets. Now I can't take drag and drop this to the other one. So what I will do, I'll go here in the Rupa's instance and I will make a connection. What will make? Will make retrieve update set. This one. This step need to be done by you in your, what I can say, sorry, in your PDI. Sorry, not a retrieve. It should be, let me show you, update set, update sources, sorry. This step you need to be do in your PDI. What have to do? New name. Everybody put this name. LNG dev. क्या है मेरे इसका नाम? 250816. 250816. Everybody need to do this thing. Type is development. And then copy this portion. This need to be done by you in your PDIs and paste. URL, you need to put, sorry, username, you have to put your username of my PDI. So I'm putting my PDI and password. This username is the same by which you're logging into my instance and test connection. What we are doing? See, connection is okay. However, the parent instance is on the Xanadu 7.2 patch 3. And this one, which I'm doing, is on the Vancouver. So might be there are few issues come because those are not in the similar or the same level. Patch is different or even family is different. I am on the Xanadu and this one is on the Vancouver. चलो बढ़िया, Vancouver पे अच्छी बात है. We'll update as well. ठीक है. Clear this point till this point, everybody. Doubt, question? Because this is important for development perspective. Everybody should know these things. Good. Now what you to do? What need to be do? Click on the submit. ठीक है वो देगा प्रॉब्लम कि ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है. That's fine. I have no issues. Now go back on the retrieved update set. Why I'm going in the retrieve? Sorry, go back in the local update sets only. This one. And open it again. What it's saying? Retrieve completed update set. What this mean? This mean when I click on this button, this will go into this URL, log in with this username password. It means it's going here and going in the local update set table and find out how many update sets are completed. So one thing which is clear, see, Mimi is not completed because she was not part of my update set. So we'll not do anything. Let's leave it. Okay. So make sure you complete your update set only when you want to move it. If you mark it as a complete, And if you run this particular stuff, retrieve update set, it will bring everything. Click on the retrieve. It is going, checking, and bringing all the complete update sets here. See, it is like you are shifting your home from one place to another place, and you are asking to the someone, hey, go and bring these boxes where the boxes mention completed, 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 completed. अगर आपने गलती से भी कोई box, if by mistake you close any box or you mark any box as a completed, it will bring. क्योंकि आपने उसको बोला कि जो complete है वो सब लेके आओ. See, are you able to see that your update sets are coming here? All the entries which you have done, it's coming here. So it is taking time because our update set is a big one. We have 17 or 18 sub update sets as well, child update sets as well. Everybody update set is coming here. This is my update sets going on. See, yesterday I added a new update set. Religious with now I created one app which I want to be show you guys that how this app, how you are saying that Atul, we are looking for a use case. This is what you have to be do now. I'll show you this example after this session. Okay, so now you can see Himanshu's update sets is coming, Josna update set is coming, group update set is coming. It is getting preview. This is a place which can take days for a developer to be fix it. Or this is a place, if there's a no error, you are done in a few minutes. Practically, I do this thing in my client side as well. My client says, okay, this story has been tested in the dev. Can you move into the next environment? I said, okay. So I'll go and I move that in the environment. So now you can see. ये देखो, अक्षय के इसमें एरर है, कोई बात नहीं, दैट्स फाइन, डोंट वरी कि अतुल क्या हो गया, अरफत, दर्शिल, ज्योत्सना, इवन मेरे में भी प्रॉब्लम है, देखो 36 एरर्स. सी, नथिंग टू बी वरी, डोंट टेक अरे क्या हो गया, मेरे अपडेट में प्रॉब्लम क्यों आ रही है. The reasons can be this failure. The reasons can be this error. Number one, both instances are not the same level. Mine is on the Zenando patch 3 and this is on the Vancouver patch 9. This can be the one reason. Second, we make some changes which is already made by the Krupa in her instance as well. That can be the other reason. Third, we are bringing some changes which is not available. I was living in the 3 BHK house and now I'm shifting in the 2 BHK house. It is tough for me to be accommodate everything in the 2-bedroom house. So these errors are very common. Don't worry. Now we will fix it. So now it's saying, boss, everything has been done. Succeed 100%. Click on the close. And now scroll down here. देखो, total 20 update sets हमारे आए, 18 आप लोगों के और ये 2 जो मैंने कल अपलोड किए थे. Now what to do? Click here. And ये क्या है, अभी प्रीव्यू स्टेट में है. Means what happened now? You told to the transport guy, please move these boxes in the another house. That transported, हमने transport कर दिया अगले घर में. But before you go and pay to that particular transport person, what you're doing? You are checking that all the boxes has been arrived or not. This is what is the preview we are doing now. What it's saying, boss, you are bringing 380 changes. Out of this, you are inserting 203 changes, updated 16 files. It means these are the files which changed by Krupa as well, which changed by you as well. In my instance, 94 files you deleted. किया होगा हमने कुछ ना कुछ तो ऐसा. And 67 फाइल्स ऐसी हैं जिसमें कोलिजन है. सिस्टम को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि what to do. And now we are going to be discuss this particular part. So unless these errors, 52 errors will become zero, we cannot commit it. आपको commit का बटन यहाँ नहीं मिलेगा. Commit means yes, now I am okay to make a changes. So now you can see, are you able to find batch 16? नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि till now we did not commit our changes. So this is now step number 2 now. Scroll down. And these are the errors. अब देखो, scope ID is different. Okay. ये तो मेरे ही प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. ये देखो. In my PDI, I have a HR module activated, but in Krupa's one HR is not available. So उसको प्रॉब्लम मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. अरे भाई मैं इसका क्या करूं? ठीक है. Maxim is mine only. So now what to do? Generally, I give example. Let's say it's Krupa's birthday. Okay, उसका इंस्टेंस उसी का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. ठीक है. After marriage, it is her first birthday at in-laws house. Midnight, 11:45, 11:50. Her husband bring a cake. Listen this example. This is what these options were to be do. Okay. At the same time, Krupa's sister also in the same city. She also bring the cake. Now, sharp 12 o'clock. They both, husband and sister, wish Krupas. Now the question come, which cake she should cut first? If she will give a priority to husband, then sister may feel bad. I travel a lot just for you and you're not cutting my cake first. If she will cut the cake which is bring by sister, then husband can get upset. Or after marriage, it's first birthday, it's my responsibility to make it special and all things will be there. This is what is this be happening. What this thing says? It says you have 52 errors. That's fine, no problem. I can understand. Okay, this is update set preview and this is a batch one. देखो, ठीक है, मतलब we have to fix all these problem first. ठीक है, and it is saying ये शशुनी के problem है, अरफत में problem. That's fine. That's totally fine. Nothing to be worried. Okay. So what it says? It says that you are making some changes in the catalog item, but I did not find that reference in Krupa's instance. Now what to do? First option, find the missing record. वो कह रहा है कि नहीं, आप एक काम करो, आप रिकॉर्ड जो मिस है उसको ढूंढ के लेके आओ. अदरवाइज रिकॉर्ड है बट उसका अपडेट मिसिंग है. Might be if we upgrade Krupa's instance to when Xanadu patch 3, this problem may fix. वो कर लो. Third option, accept remote update कि जो आ रहा ना उसको चुपचाप ले लो, सोचो मत. एंड लास्ट जो आ रहा है उसको छोड़ दो, इग्नोर द स्किप विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द रिमोट, स्किप इट. ठीक है. नाउ इन अवर केस, स्पेसिफिकली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अवर केस, वी विल डू एक्सेप्ट पार्ट. क्यों? क्योंकि वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग प्रैक्टिकल और लॉजिकल, क्योंकि हमारे एनवायरमेंट सिंक में नहीं है. बट इफ यू आर ए डेवलपर and you are having these issues, you have to find out, you need to be read the problem statement and then you have to be take a right action. Now what need to be do by the Krupa? Which cake she should cut first? Either she will say no, 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 I also bake a cake for myself, I'll cut that. That is find the missing record. चलो वो अपना केक ले आते हैं. नहीं, she said I also ordered a cake, it is on the way. Missing update. Except remote update. No, my sister came from very far. Let me cut that cake first. No, my husband has a priority. So let me skip my sister's cake and I'll cut the cake which is bring by my husband first. This is on the situation. It is not कि जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप वैसा ही करेंगे. So now what we will do, because I'm again giving example, these instances are not in the sync. So what we will do now, we will select like this and we will go here and we will say accept the remote update कि जो आ रहा है उसको ले लो. कितनी हो गई? 45. Now let's do same thing for the another 45. अच्छा skip है, let's skip it. $25. I'm again telling you, this is just for the reference, but in the practical life ऐसा नहीं होता. You have to find out that why this reference is missing. Update, accept remote update. 18. Skip. All done? Yes. Now, before you move forward, this is what I learned. Please save this once. Now there's a no error at all. All error has been sorted out. हमने accept कर लिया, missing record find कर लिया, everything we have done. Now it's time to be commit. What it's saying, if you commit this update set, the system will automatically delete all the stored in the tables and columns. So what happened? As Darshil says, Atul, I created a table, but I forgot to extend it. And I told, okay, delete that table. So he created and he deleted, but both has been captured in the update set. That's fine. That's a valid one. So system says, if you are able to commit, ये problem होगा. That's fine. I know this is a known error, known issue. Commit. And now what we have built here is going to be moved here. It take 2 minutes because it take 2 minutes for the preview. It take 1 or 2 more minutes for the this thing as well. To commit. Committing. Not committed. Committing. Because we have built a lot of things in the background, a lot of tables, dictionary entries, flow, catalog item, portal, everything has been done. So it is taking little time to be commit the update set. See, it's all done now. But data नहीं आएगा इसमें. The data which you bring via import set table XML, that will not come here. ओह चलो फेल हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, दैट्स फाइन, विच इज फेलिंग इट्स फेलिंग, वी नो दैट विल फेल, क्योंकि आप डिलीट कर रहे हैं, कुछ अपडेट तो कर नहीं रहे थे उसमें टेबल्स में. दिस इज व्हाट द दर्शिल एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग हियर. So it is finally committing it. Any doubt, question till this point? बताइए. After 3-4 days, we have almost everybody in the class. Good to see everybody here. Okay, so it is getting just committed now. Now the question come. Let's say Deepak has a question. Atul, we committed these things. But अगर ये काम नहीं किया फिर क्या करेंगे अब? हो सकता है ना? But due to some constraint, you shifted from 3 BHK house to the 2 BHK house. But you're not liking the locality, or might be the environment, or might be the house. So what to do now? Deepak will say, Atul, दूसरा घर ढूंढ लेंगे. But you already pay the deposit as well. You already sign the contract as well. You already pay the rent as well. Then what to do? क्या करोगे दीपक? Yes, Deepak, what to do in this case? In that case, anybody, what to do now? अरे कोई बता ही नहीं रहा यार. What to do if this application did not work as expected in the instance?
Maybe we will rework, or we would like to update the we would like to copy the same update set again, or we will if that is not working properly, we will end the task and we'll do it again.
अच्छा चलो, I'll give you one example, Shakif. Let's say you invited me at your home for a dinner. ठीक है, वैसे कोई इनवाइट करता नहीं है. I just give example. ठीक है.
Mhm.
You invited me at your home and you say नहीं यार अतुल आ रहे हैं तो I'll make something special for अतुल. ठीक है. So you prepare a biryani.
Mhm.
ठीक है. You did your work since morning, vegetables, everything.
Mhm.
And by chance, that biryani did not cook very well.
Mhm.
जल गई, सड़
Mhm.
गई. You forget to be put the low
Mhm.
steam, but you put in the high steam.
Mhm.
Now, will you serve that biryani to me?
No, I won't serve it. I
What
would
you're
look ways to
we,
serve you
we
other
need to
things
make
that
it
I
again.
have, or I'll bring it from the
हाँ,
market.
wait. What you say, Shakif? Either you will bring from the market or you will not
I'll
serve it
serve
to
you.
me.
Yes, I won't serve the same biryani that I cooked. Either I'll serve the other
Wait,
thing that I have, or I'll bring it
wait.
from.
Yes, you will not serve that biryani to me. What this mean? This mean you will back out your
Yes,
change which you done for myself.
yes,
You will say, अतुल देखो यार मैंने बिरयानी तो बनाया था, ये रहा बिरयानी, but it did not cook well, so I'm not serving to you. You will tell me, but you will back
I
out
will
as
not
well.
serve it. Yeah, I will back out.
Correct. So now if anything did not work out here, we have to back out as well. But back out का problem क्या रहेगा? Number one, it will be a wastage of the ingredients, right?
Yes,
Rice भी खराब, vegetables भी खराब, these things खराब. Okay, चलो. The update set commit completed, but some update failed to commit due to error. चलो देखें क्या error है इसमें. That's fine. Nothing to be worry. ये चलता है. एरर तो कुछ ओके ये एरर शो कर रहा है because what we have done in the preview, due to that it's showing some errors to us here. That's fine, leave it. Now what to do? You invited me at your home and you are putting the things in front of me. Atul, have a drinks, chai, snacks, soup, and now you can see it's committed. Now go back here and search for the batch 16. Okay, refresh this page. कई बार हो जाता है. And now we all set to use what we have built here in Rupa's instance as well. अरे भाई, अरे हाँ, good. See, batch 16. सब लोग यहाँ पर आ गए. This is what we build, right? See, that is an I said in the beginning that please use batch 16 as a word so that we can do this testing easily. See, anything you can if you want, go here and see Yashaswini batch table 2. This is what she created. कहाँ के वो लीव ट्रैकर किसी ने बनाया था जो I'll show you my one, religious one. अच्छा वो तो हमने कमिट ही नहीं किया. Other updates said we did not commit it. That's fine. So now what we have built here, we can see here. Right, Seema, this is what you build, right? You want to see? Go in the tables. ये देखो सबकी tables आ गई. See, this is what is called committing of the update set. This is what is this. I go to Shakir's place and he said, wow, Atul, thank you so much for coming. Let's have a dinner. He served everything. As soon as I pick up the biryani, I said, Shakir, I am not finding good this biryani. I think something wrong with this. He also taste, he also smell. Yes, something wrong with this, but I cook it in the morning itself. Let me back out. Atul, let me take it out from the table. Don't eat. It means these applications which has been built up is not working as expected. Now need to be back out. And to back out, go back in the local update sets. See, now your update sets become the local. अब तक जो remote थे वो local हो गए. Click on my update set. And now you can click on the back out. But practical and practice. Backing out is not that easy you're thinking. Backing out update set is not easy as you think. अरे एक बटन तो क्लिक करना नहीं. Think practically. Can you vacate a house which you just rented yesterday? You paid 1 lakh as a deposit, 20,000 as a rent, you pay 20,000 as a transport or the movers and packers. Will you immediately vacate that house due to any number of reasons? No, because system says you are backing out only from the system. What about the practical things? यहाँ पे ये चीजें बहुत मैटर करती हैं. Someone says, let's say, some Darshil joined a new company and he requested for a laptop. Okay, he requested for a laptop. The laptop request is in progress, and due to some reason, Darshil quit that company and join another company. Now in the system, what will do? You will go and close incomplete that request. But what about the laptop? The configuration has been done. The assignment has been done. The Windows has been done, and it has been put it on the Darshil name as well. वहां तो किसी ने बैकआउट नहीं किया. पेपर वर्क पे बैकआउट होता है ना. When we were small kids, हम लड़ाई करते तो क्या कहते थे? आज से तेरी मेरी कट्टी. You and me are not friends from now onwards. Right? But still in our mind, in our heart, in our thoughts, we are the friends. सिर्फ लिखा था ना, हमने बोला था और किया तो कुछ नहीं. हमने बात करनी छोड़ी नहीं छोड़ी. फिर so backout is option but not recommended one, because if you click on the backout, see, it says backout process can undo large amount of work and cannot be undone. ऐसा नहीं है एक बार कर दे दोबारा सब. It's not control Z or control X. No, it's not like that. It will check all the records once again. It will give you the potential problem that if you back out these update set, these can be the problem. हो सकता है कि अभी तो due to this new update set only one application is not working, but if you back out, might be it impact 3 or 4 more applications. उस केस में क्या करोगे फिर? So what we recommend, what service now recommend, avoid the back out. Better rework and make the changes in the dev and then bring in the production immediately. These things are the practical things. You raise a change to reboot a server or to upgrade a server. You are doing the upgrade and suddenly something production, some major issue come in the production and everybody says, stop the changes, stop the changes. In the system, you go in the service now and you will change the close the change. But what about the upgrade? That is already started. Well, बैकआउट तो नहीं हुआ है वो प्रैक्टिकली. सिर्फ पेपर वर्क पे बैकआउट हुआ है ना, प्रैक्टिकल तो बैकआउट नहीं हुआ. So now, if you think, yes, Atul, we are good to go for the backout, click on this proceed with backout. Now what it will be doing? It will delete all your updates. ये सारा जो batch 16 वाला update था, सारा delete कर देगा and it will bring in the same pace. Krupa, might be your instance is not in the good situation now after this backout, because we are playing a lot with your instance. So it is checking the potential problems. सबसे बड़ा problem क्या आएगा? That you are asking the system to take out that file which is already deleted, जो दशे का केस था. अब जब वो इंसर्ट ही नहीं तो बैकआउट कैसे होगी? बट रिकॉर्ड्स में तो है, अपडेट सेट्स में तो है वो. सो दैट कैन बी अ प्रॉब्लम एज वेल. सी 43 प्रॉब्लम्स. बताओ, 52 तो हमने फिक्स की थी पहले. देखते हैं, चलो प्रॉब्लम्स देखते हैं. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम हियर? देखो, Do nothing. System says if you want to back out, I need to be go in the previous version. But previous version तो exist ही नहीं करता. It means you shifted from your hometown to some other city, other country, and you get a new house. और आपको पसंद नहीं आ रहा, आपको खाली करना पड़ेगा, खाली करना अगले दिन. How you can do this particular part? क्योंकि आपके पास कोई बेस ही नहीं है. उस कंट्री में कहाँ जाओगे? So also system is smart. They're saying do nothing. इस पे कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, छोड़ दो. Are you okay with this? If you say yes, then click on the back out. Sorry, we have to fix that. We have to put do nothing on this particular part. Let's see what it will say now to us. So for today, the homework, everybody must. Now I'll do one more thing for you guys. Let me go to my instance. Okay. And let me select parent is as a this. Okay. I'll remove my update set from the parent. Okay. And I'm bringing back all your update sets to the in progress. वो इसलिए आपको रीजन देता हूं मैं इसका. Now what you have to be do? Might be you can put little instructions clearly, Darshil, in today's homework.
Yes.
एक मिनट, एक अब इसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, एक प्रॉब्लम हो रही है इसको. रुको, do nothing. कुछ तो फिक्स है क्या इसमें? White saying do nothing और कुछ करने तो दे नहीं रहा, कुछ विट कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है. ये देखो, ये रहा empty, इसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. A change was made to the record update set was committed to use this target not possible target. ठीक है, चलो. Decide to keep the current. चलो, good. ठीक है, now we'll back out. Now what you have to be do from yesterday's homework. Number one, you need to be create import set. Sorry, you need to be create the transform map and add the call set in your record. You have to be do the practice with the call set checkboxes. And you have to do the practice with the checkboxes on the transform map. Empty records, not empty records, mandatory records, all these things. Number one. Number two, you need to be move your XML from my instance to your instance via XML1. And number three, you need to be get this Excel and update via import set shortcut method जो हमने सबसे लास्ट में किया था वो. And for today, what you have to be do, you need to be go to my PDI. You will only and only complete your update set. If Akshay is working, Akshay will move only his or her update set, not everybody else. तो सबको पहले यहां पर अपने अपडेट सेट क्लोज करने हैं. Then go to your PDI and do this exercise. So now everything has been succeed. Backing out is complete. Still working. Everything has been deleted. देखो, सारे objects has been done. And make sure, because now let's say Akshay close his update set, Krupa close his update set, Dashil close his update set, and someone is doing homework in the midnight. Make sure if you are committing it here, you are just committing your update set, not everybody else update set. कर लेना, एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए वो भी कर लेना, बट पहले अपना अपडेट सेट कमिट करना. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन डू फॉर अदर्स अपडेट सेट एज वेल. ठीक है जी. सो दिस विल बी द होमवर्क फॉर यू गाइस फॉर टुडे. डाउट, क्वेश्चन, क्लैरिफिकेशन. अभी रुको, अभी ये जरा कंप्लीट हो जाए. विल डू समथिंग मोर. सी हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेकिंग. इससे अच्छा तो रिवर्क करके इश्यू फिक्स करता. दैट्स अ मच इजियर पार्ट. That is why the service now also not recommend backouts, and that's not because we are just doing the practice. So हमने कुछ भी उठा के बैकआउट कर दिया, कुछ भी उठा के चेक इन कर दिया, that's fine. But practically, it's not that much easy. In my career in service now for the last 10 years, I rarely see that we have backout any update set. We always fix via new update set because we know backout is more difficult than fixing a new problem. It Now you can understand the pain. Commit take 2 minutes, but vacuum taking more times. Shift करना easy था, खाली करना ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. सब wrap up करो again, put in the boxes, and then call the transport of the movers packers and going back. चलो, in the meantime, I'll show you something. This is what I built earlier. Religious with now. What this app mean basically? This is a scoped application, number one, not the global one. Okay. So we all know that there's a lot of religious places in India. Vaishno Devi, Balaji, Amritsar, Golden Temple. Then you can go Tirupati. A lot of places in India and outside India. What I think and how this thing come in my mind. In my company, we have a hackathon last year, and everybody need to build a application. But that application should be for the, what I can say, for the office purpose. And I forget this principle and I build like this. So we guys go for these religious places with family. So we book our travel, we book our accommodation. Sometimes we do some save or volunteer work as well. So I created 3 modules. User registration. It means if I am other user who want to be go for some places, what I need to be do. This is a workspace view. First name, last name, gender, Aadhaar card number, middle name, nothing. Communication address, email ID. Trick. And then are you NRI? If yes, then which country, passport number, city, and save. But छोटा example, it's not full-fledged. So now my user ID will get created in the background. This is my user ID number. Sorry, this is my Aadhaar card number, which is my user ID. Now I want to go for the accommodation. Like we go for Vaishno Devi. It's asking कितने टाइम के लिए चाहिए, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days. I say 5 days. Accommodation type, VIP room, shared room, covered shed, open tent. VIP rooms. Check-in date, how many for 18 plus, 5 to 12, senior citizens and infants. Do you need any assistance? Like you need a wheelchair kind of things, or you need a ground floor or something, you can put it here. And the last which I did is for the save assignment. I want to do some volunteer work there. अरे खाली है तो might be nothing is be there. I was working on that particular part. So purpose to show you this thing is not to impress, to give a flavor that I'm looking something or you need to build something like this in your use case as well. चलो इसको रनिंग करने दो अभी good. Because it's a scoped application, so it will start with the X. ये देखो tables है मेरी ये. I did not extend it from anywhere. Even donation का भी table बनाया था मैंने एक. See. Show form. ये रहा. Your say what the user ID is your username. Your user supervisor name. Your start date, your end date. You can do Seva, main hall, parking, canteen, accommodation, security, langar, prasad, cleaning, bedding, admin office. And duration 6 to 10 or this. So the way you presented to me, it was good. But now you have to be improve it. So before drawing this thing, making a form, I note down everything with pen and paper. कि कौन-कौन से field होने चाहिए. I'm not saying that I'm making a very good, very big. I'm just making a small one, very small. Teen form, bus. I'm okay with this. Might be I can show you something on the donation. I'll show you one more thing, which is a learning for me. So you want to donate something, you can put PAN card number, purpose, building repair, kids education, minor support, meal support for other purpose. It's a thought. Then I put for the beddings as well. अब आपको room मिल रहे हैं, you need a beddings as well, right? अभी सिर्फ डिजाइन इतना ही चल रहा था. So, but if you see the other fields, possibly I have created one few more fields on this one. नहीं अभी इसमें से इतना ही है, बेडिंग की सिर्फ टेबल बनी और कुछ नहीं है. ठीक. So you need to be think कि in my table what fields I need, what data type I need. Then you have to be design. This is what the purpose I gave you that homework 2 weeks back. Small, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको 6-7 tables 6-7 फॉर्म बनाने. No, not like that module. Create 2 modules, but create with a proper manner. चलो, it's done now. Not able to back out, हमें रीजन पता है क्योंकि उसको वो मिला नहीं होगा. And now it has been done completely. Let me refresh this page. And now we'll see is batch 16 available or not. There you go. Nothing is available from the batch 16 now. क्यों? Because it has been packed out completely. Clear everybody? Doubt, question and clarification. अरे पूछो है ना तो बोलो.
So usually how many update set are used in organization? Is it specific to some department or something like that?
अब नहीं देखो अब ओके अपडेट सेट्स बेसिकली जो बनते हैं ना दैट हैज बीन बिल्ड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी पर्सपेक्टिव. Like in my team, let's say I have a 5 developers. Okay. And I give one story to each developer. So they will create update set for one story. So like simple example, Rahul, why I'm saying this thing? When you are shifting your house from one place to another place, you will not put everything in a one box. Crockery एक box में होगा, books एक box में होंगी, kids के toys एक box में होंगे, आपका shaving cosmetic सामान एक box में होगा. Why you're not mixing it? क्योंकि you know that if I mix it and when I shift, it is tough for me to be find out that which box contain what items. Right? So the same practice we follow here. Okay. That for every story we get the one update set. And never ever put everything in the default update set. Either by mistake, intentionally or unintentionally.
At last, we can merge all the 5 update set while shifting.
We can merge. Yes, we can merge as well. But merging थोड़ा सा problematic रहता है. बाद में issue रहेंगे अगर आपको बैकआउट करना पड़े. ये कुछ काम नहीं चल रहा तो.
Okay.
Okay.
First, we need to merge, switch
Yes.
from dev instance to test, then test to production, right?
But same update set will go. ऐसा नहीं है कि टेस्ट में जाके अपने update set बनाओगे नहीं. The which you bring in the dev in the test, the same update set will be retrieved in the production as well.
All the 3 instance has to have same version, right? Like Xanadu for dev. Xanadu for
Practically yes, they should be in the same version.
Okay.
Okay. Chaliye, anything else,
And-
guys? Good, Darshil.
And what will happen to those errors that has been transferred to group as PDF? So will it
Like-
show it?
See, system says these are errors. You are not to do anything because इसका कुछ
Okay.
रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं है, कोई पुराना वर्जन ही नहीं मिला तो क्या करोगे इसको हटा के अब?
Understood.
Okay.
Okay.
If there is an error, so what backout means? System say if you are backing out, I will taking this particular component on the previous version. अब जो previous version है ही नहीं, तो फिर कहां पर बैकआउट
Yeah.
करोगे उसको? So system says
Yeah.
do nothing, कोई नहीं, छोड़ दो उसको, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay.
Okay.
So if we delete it in the dev portion, then it won't be transferred to the update set we are transferring. So that will show as an error.
So update set is like your karmas, which you're doing in service now. सब कैप्चर कर लेगा ये. और कैप्चर होगा तो वो हो गया. You can't take it out.
Only data will not be captured.
Only data, reports, dashboards. This is what the question I put in the question as well. There are few more things which did not get captured in the update set. You have to find out the answer.
Also,
Sorry?
Scheduled jobs also will not be captured, right? Scheduled jobs.
Sometime it gets captured. Nowadays it's tough to be say.
Why
Nowadays,
it will not be captured, Atul? Like why?
It is by design like that only. The way the previous or these major components work together.
Maybe in future release they may try to capture it in update set, or it's not.
In future release, service now is not, I'll not say the service now, but what I heard that people are saying we should use the Git lab or GitHub instead of update sets. Something new is coming on that particular front. People are saying because sometimes update sets get a problem. So better to use the versioning control system like GitHub or GitLab so that it is easy to move the changes quickly in the other environments without any conflicts kind of things. So things are moving on that direction as well. Mainly, I'm not a code developer, so I have no much interest in this area. So I'm happy with my old way as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Chaliye, let's stop the recording and take quick attendance now.